Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable dark mode on LinkedIn. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Social media fans are already using the dark mode on other social networks like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. Now we can use the dark option on LinkedIn too. Like on my previous video, I've shown you how to enable the dark mode on your LinkedIn app. So now what if you want to disable it? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to put our LinkedIn app on your mobile phone. Now you can go to the settings by tap on the up left corner here. You can just tap on settings in here. You can choose on account preferences. And you can see there is an option dark mode on the display section. You can tap on that. So you can choose on light mode. So now your LinkedIn app is on the light mode. And if you choose on the device settings, your LinkedIn app will follow your device setting. If your device settings is on the dark mode, so your LinkedIn will also on the dark mode. But if your device is on the light mode, so your LinkedIn apps also will on the light mode. But if you don't want LinkedIn follow your device setting, you can just choose on light mode. It's very simple, right? So that is how to how to turn off dark mode on your LinkedIn app. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.